Why do Bengalis make this one sound? Probably heard it before, from kirtans to pujas. It's undeniably connected to Bengali culture and tradition. But what is it? This is the Dhwani. Not that Dhwani, Dhwani. It's a sound made by vibrating the tongue, often performed by women. But it's something much deeper than that. The Dhwani is an invocation, a way to signal and welcome inauspiciousness. Think of it as an expression of joy, anand, bhakti, and a symbolic way to ward off negativity. That's why you'll often hear it during weddings, pujas, and kirtans. It parallels the blowing of the conch shell, or shankha, and also ecstatic shouts of Hari, Hari, embodying bhakti and devotion. So the next time you hear this sound in kirtan, or wherever, know that this is a sound of devotion, beyond words, the sound of Bengal.